Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I wanted to share with you, or welcome if you've not been here before, and today I thought it would be really fun to share with you like a kind of birthday haul of like what I got for my birthday. I have been absolutely spoiled, and I've been told that there's like more presents on the way. A lot of presents, I guess because of lockdown, a lot of people have got me stand-in presents, and honestly I've had so many flowers, so that's really good, getting stand-in presents, by the way, because you get like the present that's like the stand-in, and then you get the new present that's the actual present, but you get to keep both. And I've been so many cakes, and I've had, my sister made me cupcakes, my other sister made me a cake, my friend Pete dropped round cupcakes, my friend Faye dropped round a cake, Jack made me a cake, honestly. And do you know what the best thing is? I only live with Jack and he doesn't eat cake, so lots of cake for me. And I had like 6 or 7 bunches of flowers delivered. Like, guys, it was actually one of the best birthdays, because I just feel like because of lockdown everyone went above and beyond. If you're wondering, I turned the big 3-0. I'm 30, I'm flirty, and I'm thriving. So if anyone was wondering what age I am. So yeah, then I just feel like I've been absolutely spoiled. So I thought I'd show you what I got. Honestly guys, I just keep seeing things and I was just so spoiled. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is something that my good friend Caroline got me. And we don't normally do gifts, but she said because it's my 30th, she got me a gift. And I mean, I want her to buy me a gift every year because she is a good gift buyer. And she got me this Acne t-shirt. She got it in the large because she knows me and I love oversized. It's just got the little logo on there, and I just love the colour. It's so pretty. It's like a coral colour, and I actually have the matching scarf to this, or like the Acne scarf in the Acne colour, because this is like the colour that their bags are. It's like their brand colour, and I don't know, it's just such a good choice of her for me. I love it. It's such a like wardrobe staple. I'll wear it forever, and I'll remember that I got it on the day that I turned 30 in lockdown. Then the next thing was from my sisters, and it was such a cute gift. It's so thoughtful. They know me so well. They got me an oversized sweatshirt with Stamford on it, which is where I live, if you guys didn't already know. And it is, I love pink, and it's just so cozy and oversized, so I'm going to be living in this in lockdown. I don't think that you guys can get this because it's like local, but I'll link like a grey sweatshirt below. So you probably don't want it if you don't live in Stamford because it's a bit random. Okay, then my other sister, honestly, she's obsessed with me. We always joke that she's obsessed with me, but like I just can't cope with. Okay, so this is, she got me some Dolce & Gabbana underwear. This, like, guys, she got me so much stuff. She got me 4 gifts, and she was just beyond, like, I think she buys me, she starts buying early, because she always gets me so much stuff, and she just ends up like just going way above and beyond. So first off, she got me these Dolce & Gabbana pants and sports bra type bra kind of set, which is so cute. It's like an Instagram thing, but I love it. I probably will never wear it as underwear because I'm too terrified, but honestly. And this little bra is more of a crop top, and it will look so cute with like jeans and a blazer, or like high-waisted shorts or something. So cute. Then she honestly just she spent too much on me. She got me some trainers that I've wanted for ages. Honestly, and I thought these were sold out everywhere. I don't know how she managed to get a pair in my size. She is a ninja, or like whatever you would call her. These, the New Balance 530s, and they're in cream and navy, and I do think they're sold out everywhere, but what I'll do is I will link below all of the colours that I can find, and maybe if I can find a link to them where they are sold out, then you guys can click on it and then hopefully like just keep checking and they might be restocked. But yeah, I just love the colour so much. They're like cream with like the mesh and navy, and I just, this is a style that I really wanted, and I just can't believe that she got me it. And oh my god, I forgot about this. So I went to my parents for my birthday, not for the whole day. We just walked up there because they live near us, and like sat on the garden and said hi from a safe distance. And I found this in their garden, this feather, and anyone who reads The Secret, this is I'm rereading it for like the 4th time, and I manifested a feather, and it happened on my birthday. I walked down to my mum's front garden and it was there. Can you believe it? So yeah, I felt it was like really special that I saw that on my birthday, so I'm keeping that feather forever. Feather forever. Then something else my sister got me is some flying saucers, because I'm obsessed. I can't believe she got me these, and they are very photogenic, so I'm going to be wearing these like this for a cute Instagram picture. Of course, everything in life is a prop. Then she also got me, because I don't know if you guys know this, if you don't follow me on Instagram then you probably don't know that I am actually a secret granny loser and I love a puzzle. So I have got like 50 puzzle guys 50 puzzles, guys. I love a good puzzle, and my sister got me this one, which is all dogs, so I'm looking forward to doing that one. I've got loads that I still haven't done. Last, for my wedding, she got me a puzzle that was a picture of me and Jack, and oh my god, it looks so hard. I've been like avoiding it. Then something else from my other sisters is this little box of positivity, and it's such a cute idea. It's basically, so obviously, as I said about The Secret, I love things like The Secret, the Law of Attraction, positivity. I do my gratitude journal every morning and every evening, and try to live my life as positively as possible, because I think like attracts like. And so it's got this cute little wooden block, but I guess you didn't have to use that if you wanted it to like fit your aesthetic. You could like paint it white or something. And then it's got this deck of cards in there. I feel a bit weird about birthday hauls because I'm gonna have to link everything, so I'm gonna have to see how much everything was, which is kind of like ruins the magic. But anyway, so it's got like these little messages, so they all are really cute, like mindful, uplifting things, like grow through what you go through, and there's no one who can tell you who to be except yourself. Love challenges, be intrigued by mistakes, enjoy effort, and keep on learning. You don't have to wait to be confident, you do it and eventually the confidence will follow. So that's really cute and such a good idea, especially if you know someone like me who's like really into that kind of thing. And then dun, 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 it's here. This is just the lid of the box because it's such a big box, honestly. And I said to Jack, like, the box alone I would have been happy as a gift because it's so beautiful. I'm gonna like put it up as a piece of art. And then he did so good. So I can't remember if I said this in my last video or not, but we always laugh about my birthdays and Christmas and stuff, because Jack is like so random with his gift giving. Like he's got me, so for Christmas he got me a Prada handbag, but then the birthday before that he got me a travelling neck pillow. So you could say that he is quite inconsistent with his gift giving, but he pulled it out of the bag for my 30th. So the dust bag for Loewe is actually, oh no, it's got like the little logo there, but it's pretty plain. And then he got me the large Loewe basket bag, and I love it. I've loved this bag for so long, but do you know what? I always just kind of couldn't bring myself to buy it because I thought, even though it's a classic, it is a basket bag. So now I don't have to bring myself to buy it because he's got it for me. And there is actually an amazing dupe on Amazon, which I will link below if you don't want to pay Loewe prices. But I love this bag so much. He's watching me. What?
I heard you.
What? Say that you're inconsistent in your gift giving. You are.
It's a long time ago, whereas a year ago.
Yeah, I know, but I never forget.
About how many times have you told that story online?
Once a week. But yeah, anyway, I love this one so much, and I have the white one and stuff too, but I just think the tan is like the classic, and it's actually been around for like 3 years now, so I feel like it's definitely not going anywhere. And he got me the large, and he did say if you want the small or medium I can change it, but I like the large. I didn't know that they had like so many different sizes, to be honest. Oh, I completely forgot to show you what Penelope got me as well. Oh wait, Jack got me some Ferrero Rochers too, and then Penelope got me a bottle of Bailey's, which I completely forgot about and I'm tucking into tonight for sure. And she got me a chocolate flamingo. She's so cute. I can't believe she went out in lockdown and got me such cute gifts. So I've just realised that I completely forgot to share with you one of the most special gifts that I got for my birthday, and it was this necklace from my parents. So it's a gold necklace with an emerald in it, and my birthday is in May, so my birth month, like birthstone, is emerald, and I don't actually have any emerald jewellery, and I'm so glad they got me this. It's just like such a special, I love surprises. It was such a surprise, like I had no idea what they were getting me, or anyone to be fair, but it was, I just love surprises, and it was such a lovely gift, and I'm just so happy because everyone else got me really nice gifts that I love too, but I really wanted something like this, that I don't think I told anyone, but I just wanted something that I feel like a piece of jewelry is something that you can keep forever and always remember, and like wear it every day and remember your birthday. So yeah, I was so happy that I got this. I feel like I literally just got everything I could possibly have wished for this birthday. Like, I've been spoiled. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm actually going to film different ways to wear of the Loewe bag, hopefully this week or next week, but it will be up soon, because I think that that would be quite a fun one to do for summer. And I know that it's like, I think it's in that sweet spot for designer, that's like, it's a designer bag and it is more of a kind of thoughtful purchase, but it's not, oh, it's under the £500 mark, and it's a big bag, like you get a little bag for your money, and considering it's like such a well regarded brand and a classic bag, I think it's really affordable. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that because I think it'll be a really good video, maybe help people make their decisions, and I'll show you how you can wear it for like not always sunshine outfits. But I'm going to stop plugging my future videos and say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you hit the notifications bell as well, because as said, I'm uploading pretty much every day. Sometimes I take a couple of days break, but I'm still coming back, don't worry guys. And I'm trying to work on some like YouTube collabs with other YouTubers, which will be really fun. So hopefully I've got those coming too. I'm just like planning them at the moment. But yes, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see that. Hopefully there'll be people that you like as well. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, then make sure you do, because as I said, you'll see all of these things, and I always do my try-ons when I immediately get a package. So if you want to see like real-time hauls, then that is the place to go. And I always share discount codes. Like today, it won't be when you're watching this, there's 30% off Nike. So like if I see a discount code, then I will share it like ASAP. So I am a bargain hunter for you. So I will see you next time. Bye.